Maraming proyekto ang Children of Light Foundation Incorporated. At ilan sa mga ito ay ang patuloy na pagtulong sa ating sosyedad. Feeding program sa homeless ng Luneta, spiritual support sa Jose Reyes cancer patient, scholarship programs, prison ministry, at marami pang iba. Samahan niyo po kami at maging Evangelical Support Partner o ESP, kung saan sa bawat sentimong ibibigay nyo ay malayo ang mararating. Maaari po kayong magdeposito ng inyong tulong sa aming Metrobank account, Allied Bank account. Mahal ng Diyos ang masayang nagbibigay sa ministeryo niya. Giving is healing. Be an ESP member. Give now and be healed.
Be a part of our institution that promotes quality education at low cost. The Children of Light Catholic School, located at 4454 Bernardo Square, Better Living Subdivision, Parañaque City, offers kinder and prep, grades 1 to 6, first year high school. We also offer summer classes for free. For more information, please call or visit our website at www.childrenoflightcommunity.com. Enroll now!
Wala nang iba sa